Hello there, in this video I will show you the possibilities of the MetaHuman Creator. I got early access to this version and I will show you around what are the possibilities and so on. So first off, on the left side I can see Create MetaHuman and then my saved MetaHumans. This version allows me to gain access to MetaHumans 1 hour and then it will throw me out. So we need to get this video done in 1 hour. So let's choose the guy here or a girl. Let's choose Cooper here. This is a base model where we can start from and we can change everything from Cooper to however we want him. Then we can see him already here. I click next. Now I can just go to these different modes. The first one is the blend mode. The move mode, when I can move around. I can sculpt these further in and out. And I can see this one alive when I click right here. Look at this hair waving in the wind, very nice. Then his face motions, but also his body motions. And I can just orbit around and scroll like with these hotkey references. And he's very happy to be alive in my little world. So back to idle now. First of all, we're going to look at his face. Now, this requires me to stop the animation. The blend mode requires me to change my person towards one of these. So let's drag in these people here, for example. So when I now hit one of these marks and I drag up, it will look more like Amelia. When I drag to the right, it will look more like Ada here, or to the left like Aoi. I hope I pronounced this right. Now, he's a MetaHuman, so I can't hurt his feelings, but this nose will look more and more like his nose here. Or I can just back, like the girl, or like the other one here. Or I can just move them in between. So I can add another MetaHuman right in here. So now I have different ones. And I can change the nose and blend it just like these other models like I wanted to. Then I can further move these around. Can make him really angry or really uplifting. So these are just general move tools, and sculpt really goes in further and deeper. So I can also have him in the studio right here. I can have him indoor, so I can have different lighting perspectives. Or outdoor, if you have an outdoor game or project, or just as a silhouette, but this one is less interesting for me, so I'm going to keep it at studio right now. So right now I can go back here to his skin, and I can change the values of this one. I can change the skin color. You have sliders here. I can add freckles. So if I pick this one, I can just increase or decrease the density, or different face accents, more or less redness, saturation for better colors. And you can just play around with these settings. His eyes, let's give him more blue eyes. You can even change the iris. Or this one right here. You can see this really goes into depth how you can tweak your MetaHumans just as you would like. Even the teeth. I can even change the length of his teeth. Short ones, tall ones. Now let's not do the plague amount. I can even let him eat now. Just to look how his jaw is when he is opened. We can add some makeup to him, change the color of the makeup. You get the point, right? So let's not make him too much makeup right now. Let's keep it just like this. I can also change his hair, like the color for example. I can really make him into something else. Let's change with this one, like this. Salt and pepper just makes him more old in my opinion. Has nothing to do with the product itself. or I can just give him like one of these. So the hair settings right here, they're still pretty basic. There's not a whole lot of options, but you can just start from here. I'm pretty sure there are more options in the future. Let's look at his eyebrows. Let's give him real thick eyebrows. I can even change the custom settings right here, so I can just alter the color if I wanted to. The eyelashes right here. Wow, looks really pretty. And right now I can also sculpt these further. I can just change the eyes as I want to. Or I can just go with the move tool right again. Then the beard. Let's choose one of these. It always takes a while before it is applied. I can just hit one, or I can hit it again to just undo the one. Well, there's our MetaHuman right now. Or I can just blend also right here. Sculpt back. And then the mustache. Do you really want that? Let's have a look how he looks with this one. Well, it's not that bad, but if I don't want it, I can just click it again. Let's go with the soft one. This is much better. The body type. I can change the body type just as I please. I can make him really tall again. I can give him a female body look, or just a male one. Let's make it more muscular. Now the colors here, they are still pretty basic, so I think there are going to be more in the future. But as of now, I can just pick one of these three for this model. Change the color, the secondary color as well. And the pants, the bottoms. Same for the colors here. I can just tweak these changes. And also for shoes, they are still pretty limited, so you can't do everything with this one yet, with this MetaHuman Creator. But you can change them in Maya and here the Unreal Engine. But in the future, I hopefully have some changes for the Blender as well, the Blender 3D options. So these look very pretty in my opinion. Well, this is our guy for now, so but you get the point. This is how you create MetaHumans in the MetaHuman Creator. There are still some more options right here. You can just go to whichever part you want. You can have them ray traced in high or less quality. Standard is medium. The LEDs is the level of detail when you're inside of a game. When you scroll out of a game, you don't want all the performance issues, so the LED changes, because if you're further away, you don't really notice this. And the further you scroll in on a game, you have automatic LED selected probably. But look at LED 7 when you're really far away. Like, this is not the most pretty model, but it can be handy for performance in games or other projects. And so you can see him changing here back to how we wanted it. So you can toggle the clay material if you really want to go into detail. This is not how it will render, but just maybe handy for editing him right here. You can hide his hair, you can really sculpt his head like that. Or you can toggle the hotkeys. For me, because I'm still pretty new to this one, I want to have these hotkeys still enabled. So when you're done, you can just preview your model. This is when he's idle, but he's coming alive right now. Again, the face, he has different motions that you can check out. Or his entire body. So this is our model come to life. So I hope you have some fun with this one, with the MetaHuman Creator for Unreal Engine, and you can make some really cool humans that look very realistic now. Anyway, good luck. Please like the video if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell symbol. That way you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And remember to have a great day. See you next time.